about T-minus 15 seconds. Again, the Soyuz engine
This
will
is
fire
a
for
space
several
shuttle
seconds
launch
until
yesterday.
the thrust of the rocket is able to overpower the force of the holding arms, keeping the rocket in place. Very simple, but a very elegant way of keeping the rocket upright on the pad. 1 minute and counting.
Big jets.
Big rocket on the back.
Here at Woodroff, we excellent all of our wonderful things.
So you can watch them line up the targets to actually dock with the station. And then show the internet was
Vehicle now on internal power.
They did the live stream this afternoon.
There goes the first umbilical tower, marking just about minus 35. Should be under 30 seconds away from liftoff.
Come on, launch.
Damn it, didn't work.
Water sequence initiated.
Auto sequence initiated.
She knows all my sequence. She's so bad.
Second, arm retracting, launch command issues. You can see the engine firing, ramping up.
Engines at maximum thrust.
The turbo pumps are at flight speed, standing by,
Liftoff.
and liftoff. Jeff Williams, Alexei Ovchin, and Oleg Skroposhka launching to the International Space Station.
So you're going to see different stages of the rocket coming out.
First stage of the Soyuz booster delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust in the 4 strap-on boosters and the single-bore engine.
Keep firing.
First is going to be burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes,
Woodroff, it's
6
amazing.
seconds into the flight, passing through the cloud layer. See the crew on board. Again, Alexei Ovchin in there in the center seat. Getting good reports of first stage functioning throughout the launch so far. Just 1 minute since liftoff.
It's his personal item he's taking with him.
60 seconds before flight. Your mission roll. Nominal. Everything's nominal on board, boss.
The first owl to go into
As we
space.
approach 1 minute and 10 seconds into the flight, the velocity of the vehicle already at about 1,100 miles per hour.
1,100 miles per hour, guys.
That is so amazing.
Mr. Gauss, can we get ready for home now?
Continuing to go well with the ascent, lasting just under 9 minutes until these 3 members will be in space. You'll see that how we get to float in the microgravity environment.